Live without internet or live without AC? Give up coffee or give up sleep? Never watch TV again or never use social media? Eat only sweet foods or eat only spicy foods? Live in a hot climate or live in a cold climate? Give up your phone or give up your car? Never travel again or never eat at restaurants? Give up your pets or give up your favorite hobby? Have no sense of taste or have no sense of smell? Never read a book again or never listen to music again? Live without electricity or live without running water? Give up watching sports or give up playing video games?